In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your camera and microphone settings in Google Chrome. Whether you're joining a video conference or enjoying some face-to-face time with friends, ensuring your audio and video devices are set up correctly can make a world of difference. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First things first, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you've got your browser up and running, you'll notice three vertical dots neatly tucked away in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on those. They're your gateway to all the settings you need to get your camera and microphone functioning just the way you want. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will lead you to a new page where you can customize a variety of features to suit your preferences. Now, if you look over to the left sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Privacy and Security. Click on that. It's on this page that you'll be able to manage how and when your camera and microphone are used. Next, you'll want to find and click on Site Settings. This area governs how websites interact with your browser and, indeed, with your camera and microphone. Scroll down a bit until you come across Camera. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll find a drop-down list of all the cameras available to your browser. Take your time and select the camera you intend to use. This is particularly handy when working with multiple devices. Importantly, there's a little switch you should be aware of right next to Sites Can Ask to Use Your Camera. Make sure it's turned on. By enabling this, you're allowing Chrome to prompt you whenever a site wants to access your camera. Now, let's get your microphone settings sorted. Navigate back and click on Microphone. Similar to the camera settings, you'll see a list here too. Choose your preferred microphone from the list provided. This ensures that when you're in a meeting or on a call, your voice comes across crisp and clear. Again, find the switch next to Sites Can Ask to Use Your Microphone, and be sure to turn it on. Finally, once these settings are in place, anytime you visit a website that requires access to your camera or microphone, you'll receive a prompt. Review what's being asked, and if you're comfortable, you can simply click Allow. This ensures seamless interaction while keeping things secure. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your camera and microphone settings in Google Chrome. By following these steps, you can enjoy online interactions knowing that your devices are set up precisely how you like them. And remember, these settings can always be adjusted based on your needs. Happy browsing!